Now in triangle PQR, in question number 10, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is given as 25. So value of PR is not given and QR is not given. Their combined value is given as 25 centimeter. PQ is 5 centimeter. We can mark in the figure. PQ is 5 centimeter. Now we need to determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So first of all, we need to find out the values of PR and QR. So if we can take up value of QR as X, so it is obvious that PR will be 25 minus X. Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So we can write by Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square will be equal to perpendicular square plus base square. That means 25 minus X square will be equals to 5 square plus X square. Now here, if we open up the bracket, we can expand it. So what we get is A square plus B square minus 2 times A into B equals to 5 square, that is 25, plus X square. Now we see X square from both sides. We can cancel. They are of same sign. 25 square is 625 minus 25 into 2, that is 50, equals to 25. Now if we exchange, we transpose. So 50x will be equals to 625 minus 25. 50x equals to 600. So x equals to 600 by 50, that is 12. So if QR, we can write down here that the value of QR we have got 12 centimeter. If QR is 12, so obviously PR will be 25 minus 12, that is 13 centimeter. So we can mark them in the figure, QR 12 and PR 13 centimeter. Now we need to find out the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. For this, we just transform the figure because we need to take angle P as theta. So we rotate the triangle. We mark up the things PQ as 5, PR as 13 and QR as 12. Now we can find the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. We know that sin is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now here perpendicular will be QR, P is the theta angle, PQ will be the base and PR will be hypotenuse. So QR is 12 and PR is 13. So sin P is 12 by 13. Similarly, cos P, base by hypotenuse. Now the base is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. So what we get is 5 by 13. Now we need to find out tan P. Tan P perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular will be QR, base will be PQ. So QR is 12 and base is 5. So tan P is 12 by 5.